Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nachos Chutney. First, understand that this fresh, zesty dip elevates any snack, especially crispy nachos. To begin, gather all your fresh ingredients, including ripe tomatoes, fragrant cilantro, and spicy green chilies. Make sure your kitchen tools, like a blender and cutting board, are clean and ready for efficient preparation. This simple guide will help you create a delicious condiment in no time. For our delicious chutney, you'll need 2 ripe red tomatoes, about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, and 2 green chilies for a kick. Don't forget 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1/2-inch piece of ginger. Peel the ginger and garlic, then roughly chop all these ingredients. This initial preparation ensures everything blends smoothly and evenly, creating a consistent texture for your dip. Now, transfer all your roughly chopped vegetables into a blender or food processor. Pulse and blend until the mixture reaches a smooth consistency, but feel free to leave a little texture if you prefer a chunkier chutney. Once blended, season your chutney with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Stir well to combine everything thoroughly. Finally, transfer your vibrant Nachos chutney into a serving bowl. For an appealing presentation, garnish it with a few fresh cilantro sprigs. This delicious, homemade chutney is now ready to be served with your favorite crispy nachos, tacos, or any snack that needs a flavor boost. It's incredibly versatile and adds a fresh, zesty kick to so many dishes. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.